Scientists find that supernovas and life on Earth appear to be closely connected. Technical University of Denmark, Uppsala, phys.org reports, a remarkable link between the number of nearby exploding stars called supernovas and life on Earth has been discovered. Evidence demonstrates a close connection between the fraction of organic matter buried in sediments and changes in supernova occurrence. This correlates is apparent during the 3.5 billion years and in closer detail over the previous 500 million years. The correlation indicates that supernovae, or supernovas, have set essential conditions for life on Earth to exist. This is concluded in a new research article published by Scientific Journal Geophysical Research Letters by senior researcher Dr. Henrik Svensmark DTU Space. According to his article, an explanation of the observed link between supernovas and life is that supernova influence Earth's climate. A high number of supernovas leads to a cold climate with a significant temperature difference between the equator and the polar regions, and this results in strong winds and ocean mixing, vital for delivering nutrients to biological systems. High nutrient concentration leads to a larger bioproductivity and a more extensive burial of organic matter in sediments. A warm climate has weaker winds and less mixing of the oceans, diminished supply of nutrients, lower bioproductivity, and less burial of organic matter. A fascinating consequence is that moving organic matter to sediments is indirectly the source of oxygen. Photosynthesis produces oxygen and sugar from light, water, and CO2. However, if organic material is not moved into the sediments, oxygen and organic matter become CO2 and water. The burial of organic material prevents this reverse reaction. Therefore, supernovas indirectly control oxygen production, and oxygen is the foundation of all complex life, said author Henrik Svensmark. In a paper, a measure of the concentration of nutrients in the ocean over the last 500 million years correlates reasonably with the variations in supernova frequency. The concentration of nutrients in the oceans is found by measuring trace elements in pyrite, that's FeS2, also called, as we know, fool's gold. Finally, support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box. So, concentrations of nutrients in the ocean found by measuring fool's gold embedded in black shale, which is sedimented on the seabed. Estimating the fraction of organic material in sediments is possible by measuring carbon-13 relative to carbon-12. Since life prefers the lighter carbon-12 atom, the amount of biomass in the world's oceans changes the ratio between carbon-12 and carbon-13 measured in marine sediments. Henrik Svensmark says the new evidence points to an extraordinary interconnection between life on Earth and supernovas, mediated by the effect of cosmic rays on cloud and climate. The link to climate. Previous studies by Svensmark and colleagues demonstrated that ions help the formation and growth of aerosols, thereby influencing cloud fraction. Since clouds can regulate the solar energy that can reach Earth's surface, the cosmic ray cloud link is important for climate. Empirical evidence shows that Earth's climate changes when the intensity of cosmic rays change. Supernovae frequency can vary by several 100% on geological timescales, and the resulting climate changes are considerable. When heavy stars explode, they produce cosmic rays made of elementary particles with enormous energies. Cosmic rays travel to our solar system, and some end their journey by colliding with Earth's atmosphere. Here, they're responsible for ionizing the atmosphere, he said. This is from Henrik Svensmark, Supernova Rates and Burial of Organic Matter, Geophysical Research Letters 2022, by Technical University of Denmark on phys.org. Please leave your comments, and thank you for your support.